In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clip in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to select, and how to begin a clean, shareable screen recording right inside ClickUp. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. This takes you to the home page where you can access your workspace. Next, click Login. If you're not already signed in, the app will prompt you to authenticate, and then you'll land in your workspace. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a modern browser and closing any tabs you don't want to appear in your recording. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small camera icon. That's the Clip tool. Click it to open the recording panel. Clip is built to capture your screen quickly and keep everything connected to your work, so it's great for walkthroughs, bug reports, or quick status updates. When the capture options appear, choose what you want to record. You'll see choices to record your entire screen or a specific window. If you want to show multiple tabs or switch between apps during the recording, entire screen is best. If you're focusing on one app and don't want to expose other windows, pick a single window to keep the recording tidy. Now select entire screen. If you have more than one monitor, you'll be asked to choose which display you want to capture. Click the correct one so you don't accidentally record the wrong screen. Next, click on No Microphone. This sets your recording to be silent, which is useful for quick visual demos or when you plan to add notes later. If you prefer narration, you can choose a microphone instead, but for this walkthrough, we're keeping it muted for a clean, distraction-free clip. Click Record to proceed. If this is your first time recording, your browser may ask for permission to capture the screen. Approve the prompt so the tool can access your display. Keep in mind that notifications will also be captured, so consider turning on Do Not Disturb before you begin. Finally, click Record Clip to start the capture. From here, perform the on-screen actions you want to demonstrate. Clip will handle the recording and prepare your video so it's easy to reference and share within your workspace. That's it. You went to ClickUp, logged in, opened the camera icon, chose your capture area, selected entire screen, set the microphone to off, clicked Record, and started the recording with Record Clip. Follow these steps anytime you need a fast, professional screen capture in ClickUp.